What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, gold from the lower time frame perspective, giving us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade gold. Looking at first of all monthly perspective to see overall picture in the market. Now, from the monthly, we see that gold was in a back-to-back 3 months in a strong bullish move, followed by previous months we have seen a significant retracement. Now, this retracement candle on gold, what we have seen that primarily it has closed above this monthly level of support. Now you can see that there is a monthly support with a gap opening, and that candle closed above this level means that there is a level of force breakout on gold on the monthly perspective, and highly likely that now there could have a stronger bounce. Now as a result, this is the newly open monthly candle. We saw that the price just been tested this support zone here, and from this support the price had a bounce. Now with that bounce we can expect now another retracement to the upside for this monthly candle. Now if we place our Fibonacci in this monthly candle, we see that basically gold now heading to, highly likely that it will be heading to 38.2% Fibonacci level. Now with that Fibonacci, what we can expect gold now to go ahead and test this level or even breaking this high before creating another downward movement. So with that said, for the short term we can expect now gold to go up, as we see that the price action is still bullish. Now looking at weekly perspective, what we see that this is the current weekly candle after creating a little bit of downward movement from this previous weekly low. We have seen that this week the market significantly bullish. Now at this point we see that gold is approaching this weekly resistance zone here. Okay, and also there is an important level of weekly support here with this doji, and we say that there is an imbalance in this zone, and what we could see primarily a feel of that imbalance or even breaking this high, and highly likely that, as you can see, the price move from liquidity to liquidity. And what I think that gold is highly likely that will be heading to this weekly liquidity level, as there are back to back 3 weekly opening and closing with 1 weekly doji, giving a potential for the gold to move up to this level or even breaking this high. So with that said, from the weekly perspective also we see significant bullish momentum on gold. Now, if we look at daily perspective to see how the price action is doing, now we see that the price just heading to this daily 20 em, and if we closely look at the daily price action, we see that in this zone gold has formed and so far an inverted head and shoulder. Now we saw that gold was moving on the daily time frame along this channel, creating series of lower high and lower low, and finally we have seen gold come to a zone where currently we see that gold has formed an inverted head and shoulder. Now with that inverted head and shoulder, this current today's candle, we saw that started to push up from this doji on the daily with an wickless candle on the daily time frame, and also there is a middleman here propelling this price to the upside in this direction. So what we can expect now on gold, what I think that as the price already trying to break this resistance level, if the price managed to break this resistance we could see some stronger move to the upside, even breaking this high and approaching this important another important level, which is the 38.2% Fibonacci on the monthly and also weekly liquidity zone. So if we look at the further lower time frame to see how we can find trading opportunity, now you can see that in this 4 hour time frame also gold has formed a typical bullish market structure on the local time frame. We saw that there was a double bottom here at the end of the month, and the price has broken out of this double bottom, and this is the resistance neckline of this double bottom. The price perfectly tested this previous resistance as a support in this level, and from that zone we saw that there is a strong bullish candle on gold, and with that bullish candle we saw that gold change its downtrend to an uptrend, tested this resistance as a support, And we saw that gold now creating series of higher high and higher low approaching this important zone here on gold. And we see that basically this current candle has broken this resistance. What we will be waiting for this candle to close above this level. If we see that gold managed to break this resistance level and candle close above, as soon as you see this resistance has been tested as a support, we will consider going long on gold to take this move to the upside with a high probability trade setup with our students. And if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading gold. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.